Hi, welcome back to JE Workshop. The project on hand right now is with this jack. As you can see, it jacks up just fine. Nothing wrong with that. But when you go to want to loosen it, it doesn't loosen, and here's the reason. As you can see here, this part is the new part. I just gotta pop the pin out there because this part is in the jack. You can see how this broke. Well, this was in the handle. This goes in there, and then you got that little hole for that, and this is how it broke. So that pin got bent because it slipped out, and it snapped off this because kept turning. And then so to drive to drive this pin out, it took like over a half hour just to drive this pin out of here. And yeah, and then so this goes in like so, and then that goes in the handle like so. You turn that, it loosens the pressure. Let's try to drive this pin out here. Got it in the vise. Gonna try to pop this pin out and see what happens from there. Had to take a step a bit and kind of drill that out just a hair, because it was like mushroom top and couldn't get that undone. So now I'm gonna try with a nail and a hammer to punch the pin through and get this linkage out and put this universal joint on the jack. Well, bent the nail and got a little bit, but it's not deep enough, so let me try another nail. Here, I found a better substitute, something that's actually meant for pounding on. Had to change out to a bigger stepper bit with 1/4 inch instead of 3/16 on the end. Let's see if that works. Now that's what it looks like, because it was mushroomed over pretty good. Let's see if we can pin it out. That definitely worked. Let me finish. That definitely worked, as you can see. Now I can take that out, and then we can mount this on the jack. Now let's see if that worked. That definitely worked, because as you can see, that's spinning. Let's put the pin in it and check it. Here's the test. We jack it up. Now if we do this, hooray! We fixed it, and then tighten it back up. Hooray, we fixed it. Now let's just add some glue or something, and that pin should hopefully never come out again. Hopefully some super glue fixes it. This is just some normal super glue. Let's see if that fixes it. Alright, I added some super glue in that pinhole. Now just let it dry for a little. Might put some tape or something around it, and then should work. And this was on a, come on, focus. This was on a Craftsman 2-ton hydraulic floor jack. Part number looks like 950239. And this is the rapid pump, because literally in one pump it's, okay, maybe 2 pumps, it's fully up. Compared to the other ones where you gotta jack the handle 100 times. And then to lower, you just turn it, and then when it's right, it'll go down. But yeah, that's fixed.